Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for yet another love bite for you. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin with that. My angel spirit guides, please bless Capricorn with the messages they need to hear now and any advice or blessings. Thank you. So, Capricorn, nothing starts here without an angel blessing card. You know that. So, let's take a blessing or an advice or message from our angels for my Capricorn gang. So, what do you have, my angels, for Cappies? This one. All right. Let's keep this here, Capricorn. Let's put the rest back. So, the card I have for you here, Capricorn, is move. All right, a lot of movement coming, or maybe this is a little nudge from the angels to say you have to start moving to some new direction here. So let's put this card here and see what this movement is all about. So welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. I'm very blessed, very grateful. Thank you for all your comments. I'm very grateful. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just going to be a mini love bite just to check on your energies, see how you guys are doing. Your longer reads have already been posted. I'll leave a link at the end of the video if you've missed them. And yes, if any of you are looking for a private reading, Capricorn, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. So Capricorn, don't sit around. If this is you sitting around and feeling bored and rejected and sad and depressed, I think what Spirit is saying, you have to improve your vibration now. Get up and go for a walk, do something, bring some movement back in your life. Very important to raise your vibration at the moment. So somebody here, Capricorn, it could be you, or I could be speaking to your cross watcher. Somebody is feeling a little sad and depressed here, and they need now to either, movement can be in any way. You can dance a little, go for a walk, do some yoga. It really helps, believe it or not. You know, little bit of body movement actually elevates you and uplifts you mentally, emotionally as well. So let's start opening your cards, and here you are again, Four of Pentacles, holding on strong, being very reserved, not sharing, not caring, not giving, holding back. So there's a Four of Cups here and there's a Four of Pentacles here. Six of Cups, dealing with a soulmate, having to make a decision now regarding a commitment, something that's not working out, Capricorn. So, sorry, if I got so involved, I forgot to read the cards out. I have the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, the Two of Swords, the Hierophant, the Hanged Man in reverse, Four of Wands in reverse, Page of Wands, King of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles. So, who's holding back, Spirit, from a soulmate connection here? Who's holding back, and what's this communication about? Holding on to the hope and wish that you would get some communication from somebody you really love. You're holding on very tight to this hope of a connection who you think is a soulmate connection. This person actually makes you very happy, right? So you haven't been able to let go. You are still holding on to this connection. You know that you have to make a decision regarding something, but this person does seem like a soulmate to you. You're very attracted, and I have the Four of Cups once again. I don't think this offer has come, or maybe if you're getting any other offers from anyone else, you are not in a place where you're accepting anything. This is a card of boredom, card of feeling rejected, dejected, and I have it twice here. You are still hoping and holding out for that communication which is going to make you really happy from somebody who you consider very dear to you. Maybe this person walked away from your life, Capricorn, or maybe you walked away from their life. but somebody is holding on still to the connection. This is like a tower moment which has happened, where maybe one partner has left the scene, but the other partner is unwilling to make that choice and that decision regarding the situation. So what's this Two of Swords, Spirit? Two of Swords. Waiting for a message, waiting for some kind of a message or some news before they can make a decision. So, there's one person here who's still holding on very tightly to a connection, even though there's been a tower moment. Somebody's walked away, but no decision is being made because somebody is still hoping for communication here. So, Hierophant, Spirit, Hierophant. Somebody is still waiting and watching, looking out, spying on the other person, still praying, manifesting, wishing, dreaming of some kind of a stable new offer which can set the Wheel of Fortune back into movement and hoping for a commitment. Okay, this person is, whoever this person is, Capricorn, this could be you, could be your partner, but they want to come out of this stuck place now. They don't like this limbo where their dreams are not getting fulfilled. Their stability is in jeopardy at the moment. They want to now be able to release this stuck energy that they have been in and come towards their partner with some quick communication, or they're hoping for it. Okay, so either one person wants to go quickly to the other one with some communication, or they are hoping that as soon as this communication comes in, I'll be able to release this sadness and this upset that I'm feeling and come out of this stuck place that I find myself in. Right now, there is no feeling of feeling grounded. Maybe there's been a big fight here, and things have kind of been disrupted. So what's this Empress, Spirit? What's this Empress? Somebody still wants to fight for their partner. They see their partner as the person they can have fertility, growth and abundance with. They see their partner in a very high light, and they know that things can really start moving well in their life if they can somehow fight for their partner once again and get them back after this disruption that has taken place. Maybe there's been a fight where things have kind of ended. But right now, I don't think anybody's approached the other one with the Page of Wands in reverse. Spirit, what's that? Page of Swords. What's this Page of Swords here? No message has come from the feminine to the masculine, even though I think the other person wants to have some kind of clear communication. Or maybe the feminine here is no longer giving her attention till she can have truth and clarity. Yes, this is a special relationship, I would say. Feels like a soulmate connection. Somebody is wishing and hoping to put an end to the past and bring in a transformation and have a brand new beginning with clarity and truth. Right? Because this feels so dear and so heartwarming, like this person is from my past life, and this is my best friend, and I feel I've known this person forever. But right now, at least the feminine energy is not giving their attention at the moment. I have a masculine here who's coming across as the King of Cups, feeling very unloved at the moment, and maybe trying to think of some way to emotionally manipulate this feminine. See, just as I said, they're trying to be the magician here. They're trying to think of ways and means to emotionally manipulate or convince. Manipulation doesn't always have to be bad, not if it's done for the right reasons, right? So this person is thinking, how can I emotionally say something or do something and manifest my partner back into my life, right? So somebody just wants to stop juggling now. They don't want to keep going back and forth in their mind. They have spent enough time, I think, in isolation and feeling sad and depressed. It's almost like I say the words and the cards are popping out today for you, Capricorn. This person has deep regrets for the way they've behaved. Okay, they are looking back at history and saying, oh my God, what did I do? I've lost the best thing in my life. And now they really want to turn around and, pick up these two cups, which is them and their person, right? They don't want to juggle anymore. They don't want to go back and forth anymore. They want to choose their partner who has, I think, left them. Yeah, this person has spent all this time thinking and evaluating the investment or the work they've put into this relationship, or maybe even kind of planning how much investment more they should put into this relationship to get this beautiful relationship back. So now whether they manage or not will be absolutely dependent on the other person. Whether, yes, there is this beautiful, beautiful Queen of Wands who I think everybody wants now, because this person is in power now. This is the kind of person who walks into a room and everybody just stops to stare at her, and high demand, okay? Very, very high vibration and high demand individual. And now this masculine is seeing that and is trying to manifest, somehow manifest this person back in their life. Anything else, Spirit? Yes, it's giving somebody a lot of stress and tension at the thought that this relationship is over or can be over. So that totally depends on your personal circumstance. I don't know what this masculine has done to you, feminine, how badly they've hurt you, and how far ahead have you gone now? Is there any chance of a return or not? I don't know. It'll all depend on everybody's individual situation. But from what I see, the universe is urging movement. Okay, so keep moving ahead, feminine. If the masculine has to catch up, will. And masculine, if you need to catch up with your feminine, you better move fast. This one is on their way out, okay, and looking rather good while doing it. Let's take 3 cards if any of you are looking for new love here. For the newbies who are looking for new love, who are not dealing with any past person like this, any new love coming towards my Capricorn here? Any new love coming towards my Cappies? Wow. It's an end of stress and tension, that's for sure. If you've been stressing out, will I, won't I, will I have new love in my life? All that stress and worry is going. That's not what you'll be doing late at night, sitting in your bed for very long, it seems, Capricorn. If you've been sitting in this energy of feeling my wishes will never come true, Capricorn, there is a tower moment coming into your life, okay? And not all towers are bad. This is like something is going to happen suddenly in your life, Capricorn, which is going to give you this, a happily ever after. So the next person you meet, I think, use your intuition, not the very next person, not your mailman or your milkman, but the next good relationship that you get into has a full potential of going into a very, very stable and a long-term potential partnership for you. It's going to happen suddenly, just when you feel all is lost. Suddenly there's, poof, something beautiful coming into your life. And yes, feminine, if you're looking this way, I don't doubt it at all. Let's take one card of clarification. So, Spirit, 9 of Cups here. Clarification for the 9 of Cups. Now you're going to get something very balanced. Yeah, the angels are now guiding you to your perfect partner, Capricorn. This is going to be a divinely guided connection where it's all going to be balanced. It's going to be well for you. So what's this tower moment then, Spirit? What's this tower moment? One more. I think somebody already has their eyes on you. Somebody already has their eyes on you and is planning to work on this connection. Yes, this is going to seem like a tower moment, Capricorn, but it's not going to be. There is maybe somebody, this could be a past lover, I don't know, but this could be also another secret admirer who's been watching you and planning their move for a very long time. They've been waiting for you now, I think, to move away from something which didn't suit you in the past. They've been waiting for you to block off some past energy so that they can come in then and start putting in work. Okay, so yes, somebody is planning. So don't keep your ball too high here, Capricorn. Somebody really wants to work on a relationship with you and is going to offer you a very good partnership here. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Ten of Pentacles. Oh my God, so much passion with it. So it's going to be exciting. It's going to be forward moving. It's going to give you the pentacles, the passion, the security, everything. So good things are on the horizon for you, Capricorn. So all I can say, keep it moving. All right? So that's all I have, Capricorn. Have a good few days till I see you again, okay? And I'll catch you very, very soon. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.